Come guys, let me show you one of the best way you can make best banana bread that is loaded with energy, fiber, protein, name it. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be making one of the best and healthier banana bread without flour. Yeah. So as you see, I'm blending oatmeal. We have pumpkin seed, we have sunflower seed, we have chia seeds, and we also have flaxen seed as well. So I'm just blending all this into powder form. Okay, so you see when I said that this is one of the most healthiest banana bread you have ever come across. You can see the combination. So you see that this is powerful. We have a lot to benefit eating this type of banana bread. So I'm mixing all the oats, blended oats with the chia seed and flaxen seed, mixing them together. So the next step, bring out our bowl, then adding my banana. So after that, I'm going to mash the banana. I'll just mash that. So after mashing the banana, then I will be adding egg as well. As you can see, I'm using 5 eggs. So I mix that with the banana, then adding olive oil. I'm still going to mix that. Okay. Then it's time to add the oatmeal and all the seed we blended. So adding baking powder, pinch of salt as well. As you can see, this also added cinnamon. This doesn't need sugar. So the banana as a sweetener doesn't need sugar at all. So I just added baking powder. Then I'm going to mix that, mix it properly well. So I'm done mixing. It's well mixed, as you can see. Very well mixed. So the next thing will be to put it in our cupcake. Then, yeah, like so. So it's time to bake. Ta-da! Back from the oven, guys. It's looking yummy, tantalizing, and very, very fluffy. Look at that. Guys, this is one of the best banana bread I have ever prepared. What do you think about this recipe? Will you be trying it out? If you love banana bread, I will advise you to try it out. This is good for people with diabetes. If you are on weight loss journey, this is very good. It has a lot of energy.